Hello, I'm Nick Leeming and this is the first in a series of videos showing you the fettling for the Northumbrian Smallpipes. I'll start with a warning. Northumbrian Smallpipes are delicate little instruments, they're easily damaged and you need to take great care when you're separating the parts or working on them. If you know that you're clumsy and ham-fisted, then maybe it'd be good to have the advice of an experienced fettler before you start to take the pipes to pieces yourself. If you have burley pipes, you need to examine the pipes carefully because a lot of burley pipes were glued together. Examine the pipes around the seat of the drones and the seat of the chanter for traces of glue. If you see there is glue there, don't try and separate them by force. There is a separate video on dealing with glued pipes. If you followed my advice, you should be okay. Take care, that's the most important thing. Use minimum force. In these videos, I will show you how to clean your pipes and how to lubricate them, how to take them to pieces and how to put them back together again, how to deal with pipes that have been glued together, and how to replace bindings which hold the pipes together. The last in the series is troubleshooting, problems that you may have and how to solve them. If you've just acquired a set but can't yet play, I'd seriously advise you to take them to a fettler and get them put in good playing order before you attempt to learn. There are too many variables on these pipes for you to attempt to both learn to play them and to fettle them into playing order. So please, if you're new, if you've just bought a set of pipes and they don't seem to work, do take them to a professional fettler. They are listed on the website. You'll notice that my name is not on that list. At the time we recorded these videos, February 2020, I've spent the past 6 years as a volunteer looking after the hire sets that society owns. That is almost a full-time occupation and I really haven't the time to fettle other people's sets on a commercial basis. So please don't come looking to me, go to one of the professionals. If you've hired a set or if you've borrowed a set, please don't try and fettle them without getting the permission of the owner. The things I want to show you are fairly elementary. I'm not going to deal with any of the really detailed things like reed setting and reed adjustment. For that, I am recommending Richard Butler's book. It's an excellent book. It's available from Richard via his website. And it contains a wealth of fabulous practical information. I'll be dealing with the more elementary aspects of fettling, keeping the pipes clean, in good condition, taking them apart, putting them back together again. That will give you the confidence to then be able to tackle the more difficult things which are described in great detail in Richard's book.